April 22nd, 2021 is the 51st observance of Earth Day, an international day of reflection, assessment, and recommitment to our planet. Over 1 billion people every year mark it as a day of action to change human behavior both locally and on a global scale. In 2019, New York State enacted the Climate Leadership and Community Protection Act to empower every New Yorker to fight climate change at home, at work, and in their communities. As a member of the Climate Action Council, I am so proud to be supporting this work. I'm also excited to lead our DOL as we all have the opportunity to reevaluate all aspects of our operations, recognizing that it's up to all New York State agencies to lead by example. New York State seeks to reduce economy-wide greenhouse gas emissions 40% by 2030, and no less than at least 85% by 2050 from 1990 levels. Our DOL is fully committed to this endeavor. These goals are ambitious, bold, and necessary. We all need to think big and small to drive meaningful change. We need your help in taking a critical look at how we conduct our day-to-day business internally and how we interact and communicate with those we serve. Recently, I convened the Green Team, an internal working group created to help focus our efforts and chart a path forward. This Green Team is off to a great start. Over the past several months, they've been busy reviewing key information that will help to guide our decision-making and measure our success. We've recently commenced a Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, or LEED, Green Building Certification Review for 2 of our buildings, Building 12 here in Albany and in Hicksville. We've engaged NYPA on an energy audit. We've developed and deployed surveys to understand employee commuting patterns pre-pandemic, as well as to collect information to help us reduce the use of paper files. We're also increasing the number of hybrid vehicles in our fleet, and soon we'll be launching a department-wide campaign to remind staff of the simple but impactful steps they can take every day. And as part of the onboarding process, we will educate new staff about the important role they play in helping us green our workplace. To those of you who are new to our DOL family, your participation and input is critical as we move toward a greener DOL and a greener New York. Today, we're setting up a dedicated mailbox so that every one of you can easily engage and share your innovative ideas. I want to hear from you about how we can act more responsibly as an organization. I encourage each of you to seize this opportunity to help shape our future, and I look forward to working together on this important initiative. This is just the beginning. I'm asking each and every one of you to jump in and help move us forward. Through hard work and partnership, I believe in our collective ability to reimagine and reinvent our way to a greener existence.